Muriega eroreri nindamwamukira gihinguro-ini giki gitu kia guthoma Kikuyu with Ruth and Mary. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. My name is Mary. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson you had with Ruth, which was on weather. Today we are going to be learning about nature. Indo cia Kimerera, nature. Muti, that is one tree. Mite, many trees. Karima, that's a small hill, a hill. Turima, when there are many. Then you have Mukuru, that's a valley. Mekuru, if there are many. Guruga, that's a cave. Guruga remains the same, whether it's one or many. So caves, Guruga, cave, Guruga. Then you have Iria. You can have many. Normally you just say Iria. Then you have Kirima. Then when there are many mountains, then you say Irima. Then you have Dururumo. That is a waterfall. That word doesn't change whether there are many or not. You still say Dururumo, whether it's waterfalls or waterfall, it remains the same. Then you have Ronyajara, that's a rock. When there are many, you say Nyajara. Then normally you say Matwini, that's the sky. You can also say Itu, that is a cloud. Matu, when there are many clouds. Then you have Riowa, that is the sun. Mweri, moon. Ruheni, lightning. When there are many, you call them Heni, lightning. Then you have Mamera, that's a plant. Memera, plants. Idangu, that is one leaf. Then you have Madago, those are many leaves. Yedaka, that's a bush. There are many bushes, call them Idaka. Ishigirira, that's an island. Then Ishigirira, those are islands. You have Ikobe, that is on the ocean, for example. You have the waves, Makobe. Then you have Mudanga, that is sand, what you find at the ocean. Doro, that is mud. Rioba, clay. Then Rohonge, that is from a tree, a branch. Then when there you have many branches, you say Honge. Then the river, Roe. When there are many, you say Joe. Idima, that's a well. When there are many, you say Idima. Then you have Mutito, which is a forest. Mitito, when there are many forests. You have Mugoda, that's a farm. Meguda, farms. Then you have Bura, rain. Then you have Irurume. Those are thunderstorms. Then Marurume, when there are many. You have Mukoga Bura, that is a rainbow. You have Jata, stars. Whether it's one or many, Jata remains the same. Jata. Rodie is a swamp, and Rodie remains the same. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have gotten something about nature. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and like. Until next time. Tonana hede weke, Tigwo wega.